So now we are moving to question number 7. So question number 7 says it is given that in a group of 3 students, the probability of 2 students not having the same birthday is 0.992. What is the probability of the students having the same birthday? So we have already done this concept, probability of an event plus probability of not E is equal to 1. So they are saying not E, so probability of E plus probability of not E is equal to 0.992. They have given that should be equal to 1. So probability of having an event will be equal to 1 minus 0.992. So what will be my answer? This will be 8, 0, 0 and 0, right? So 0.88. So I can say that probability that the 2 students have the same birthday, right? So probability that two students have same birthday is equal to 0.008 probability of, right? So that will be my answer. Now we have to move to question number 8. So question number 8 says a bag contains 3 red balls, 5 black balls. A ball is drawn at random from the bag. What is the probability of the ball drawn is red for red and not red? Okay, so now I can say that red balls are 3 and black balls are 5. Okay, so total balls in that bag are 8, right? So now they are asking probability of red ball, right? So probability of red ball, so we know the definitely of an event, I can say. So probability of an event formula you need to write definitely. So number of favorable outcomes by total number of outcomes. So we already know here my event is taking out for red balls. So red balls are 3 and total number of balls are 8. So my probability of getting a red ball is 3 by 8. So that's my answer for the first one. Now for second one, they are saying probability of not red. So I would say that probability of getting a red ball plus probability of not getting a red ball, like not having an event, is equal to 1. So we can say probability of not having an event will be equal to 1 minus 3 by 8, I can say. So this will be equal to, tell me, yeah, so we have to take the LCM into, so that will be equal to 5 by 8. So that's my answer for question number 8. Now we have to continue doing with question number 9. So question number 9 says a bag contains 5 red marbles, 8 white marbles and 4 green marbles. 1 marble is taken out of the box at random. What is the probability that the marble taken out will be first red, white and not green? Okay, so let's write down what's the data given. So data is given that there are red marbles, right? How many red marbles are 5? And there are white marbles. So how many white marbles? These are 8. And there are green marbles, right? So green marbles are 4. Okay, so now how many total marbles? We can add all of these. So total marbles are 5 plus 8 plus 4. So this is equal to 17, right? Okay, so this is done. So now we know the total marbles in the. Now suppose if we take out a marble, so what is the probability of getting red marble? So again you can write down probability of an event is equal to number of favorable outcomes by total number of outcomes. Total number of outcomes, right? So that is my formula. So I'll continue with my first part here. So first part, they want the how many what is the probability of red marbles. So red marbles probability will be equal to how many red marbles are there. So red marbles are equal to 5, right? And total number of marbles are 70. So I would say probability of getting a red marble is equal to favorable outcomes are 5, total marbles are 70. So that is my answer for the first part. Now let me move to second part. So second part, they are asking for what is the probability of white marble, right? So white marble means probability of getting white marble. So white marbles are how many? 8, right? And total marbles are 70. So we have written the formula in one in the top, so we don't need to write for each part, but for different questions definitely we have to write down. Now third part, they say how many, what is the probability of getting not green, right? So not green, first I'll find out probability of getting the green marbles. So probability of getting green marbles, so green are how many? 4. So probability of getting green marbles will be equal to 4 by 17. So probability of not green, right? Not green, that will be equal to 1 minus 4 by 17. We have already done this formula. Probability of an event plus probability of not E should be equal to 1. So we can say like that. So now this is equal to 17 minus 4 by 17 by taking the LCM. So this is equal to 13 by 17. That's my answer. So I think this is clear to you. Number 10. So question number 10 says a piggy bank contains 150 paise coins, 51 rupee coins, and 20 rupees 2 coins, and 10 rupees 5 coins. If it is equally likely that one of the coins will fall out when the bank is turned upside down, what is the probability that the coin will have first part 50 paise coin and second part will not be a 5 rupee coin? Okay, so let's write down the data first after reading the question. So 100 50 paise coins, right? So 50 paise coins are 100, okay, and then rupee 1 coin is equal to 50. These are the numbers, right? Numbers. And rupees 2 coins. So rupees 2 coins are equal to 20, and rupees 5 coins are 10. Okay, so these are the number of coins. So now how many total coins first I have to find out, because I need to know total outcomes. So total coins are 100 plus 50 plus 20 plus 10. So this comes out to be 182. Okay, so 180 total coins are there. Now I have to find out first I'll write down the formula for each and every question. So probability of an event is equal to number of favorable outcomes by total number of outcomes. Total number of outcomes. Okay, so this is fine. So now first part I'll do. So first part, they say what is the probability of getting 50 paise coins. So probability of getting 50 paise coins. So here event is equal to 50 paise coins, right? So now 50 paise coins, so probability number of favorable outcomes 50 paise coins are how much? 100, right? So I'll write down directly 100 and then 180. So if I cancel, I get 5 by 9. So 5 by 9 is my answer. Okay, now second will not be a 5 rupee coin. So first I'll find out 5 rupee coin. 5 rupee coin. Okay, so 5 rupee coin. Now probability of this event will be equal to how many 5 rupee coins are there? 10, right? So I'll get 10 by total number of coins are 180. This is gets cancelled, so 1 by 18. But now they want rupees, not 5 rupees coins, right? So again I have to just we know that probability of an event plus probability of not E is equal to 1. So I know probability of not E will be equal to 1 minus probability of event. So I can say 1 by 18. So this gives me 17. 18 minus 1 by 18. So 17 by 18. That's my answer. So that is the probability of not 5 rupee coin, right? So that should be my answer. Should I write this? We can write down in the statements also that what is the probability. So we can write down that probability. It depends on the marks also, or how they have asked the question. So probability of not be a rupees 5 coin is equal to 17 by 18. That will be my answer.